Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Let's take a look at the trades from this morning's live trading room. We banked £910, I think it was, £930 profit from our live trades this morning. First day of the month, 1st of March, and very solid start. Wednesday mornings at Trading College, I do the live trading room. The coaches do the other days. But I start at 7:30 every Wednesday morning on the dot, and we go and place our trades. Let's take a look at the trades taken this morning, and let's look at the strategy that I used and the students used as well. So, as you can see, we've got the let's get the pen here. 1 second, let's just change that colour. You've got the dollar yen, Swiss yen, and sterling yen. Okay, and then a couple of other small little ones which were this afternoon irrelevant. Don't worry about those ones. Okay, even though they made a bit of a profit, it's these ones here that I want to talk about, and in particular, I want to talk about this sterling yen. And show you, because the setup on the pound yen for £448, I wasn't even at the screens or in the trading room at 10:30. That already left the trading room by then, but it was 8:06 that we so we started at 7:30. 8:06 we'd already made some decent money here, and we were starting to head towards our day's money on these yen pairs. But let's talk through the strategy, because I think it's important that even though you guys are not in our trading room, that you can see, what I'm sort of doing in the morning, because I want to talk to you about sort of order trading. Because what is order trading? And I think it's a great way to trade, because there's several reasons. Number one, you might be commuting to work in the morning, and you might only have 15-20 minutes to do some trades. Or the 5-minute chart is just too fast for you, and I can understand that, because a lot of people get confused. It's too fast; they get faked out of the move. So I think order trading is a great way, and I really believe myself, if I had just order traded all my trading career, I reckon I would have made more money, because there's no doubt about it. Us human beings with emotion, you're looking at a 5-minute chart going up and down, you get faked out the trade, and it carries on and on and on. So placing orders where you think the market's going to go, and then just not watching it, I think is a great way of trading, and we certainly do a lot of that here at Trading College. So let's go through this sterling yen trade for £448, and let's discuss that setup, because that was the really nice order trade from this morning. Now here is the chart. Now I like to use the 4-hour time frame to do order trades, because it basically just gives me that plenty of time to just set it up. When I mean order trading, I'm putting the order in the brokerage, or you can trade from the charts as well here as well. Okay, so I'm placing the order, and then I'm really sort of going away and leaving it. So our stuff here at Trading College. I mean, we've been doing this for like 15 odd years. You've got Pro Trading System, Green Storyteller, OBS indicator. We do things where it's green buy, red sell, so it keeps it nice and simple. And it's this area here I want to talk about on this sterling yen. Now, 4-hour time frames are great, because I think it gives you enough time to set trades up, and you don't have to be quick at this. So here's the signal candlestick. This came in at 4 a.m. this morning. Now bear with me. I know you're saying, well, I'm in bed at 4 a.m. in the morning. So was I. But look, we had red candlesticks, red Pro Trading System down, and then we had the Storyteller red. Now this 4 a.m. candlestick closes at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Well, that sounds good, because we start the live trading room at 7:30, so we can prepare ourselves with these orders. So there is the signal candlestick. Now for me and for us, our strategy here is, if it's red and you get a high OBS, which means it comes out of the green and goes into the red zone, then that's a sales signal. But you might be asking, well, this isn't the red zone. Well, it's above 50%. And if it's above 50%, then that's fine, as long as we got reds here, okay? If it was greens, and greens, and we dropped out, came out of the red and went below the 50%, then we'll be doing buy signals. So I placed an order to short alongside all of our students here in our chat room, which was 1 point below that 4 o'clock candlestick, which is going to close at 8 a.m. in the morning. Stop placement is 1 point above the high. Target, which is a profit target, so you'd set this up in your brokerage, okay? You'd have entry, you'd have your stop, and have your profit target, was here, in this level here, because that's the prior support where I thought it was going to bounce. We actually went down to Pro Trading System target of 162.85. But you've got to put your profit target somewhere. You've got to put your stop loss somewhere. You've got to put your entry somewhere. And then you've got to go off and do something else. Go to play golf, go to work, go meet family or whatever. So we'll put the orders in. The order went in. All right, so let's just delete that thing. I don't know what that line is for. So the order went in. Stop placement here, profit target down here. Reds, 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 reds. Okay. Now, once this candlestick opens, the 8 a.m. one, it's got two. It can do two things. It could go up and not fill us in the trade, or it could break below the low and fill us in the trade. And as soon as that happens, the stop automatically gets put in place. So, order to get short £7 a point in a spread betting account was 164.08. That was below. I got the students to find out what low point that was. They said 164.08. So profit target is 163.43. All right, so that was set. Now, as it drops down, I'm in the coffee shop by that time. I'm done because I finish my live trading room, an hour or so later. Okay, so by the time it drops and it starts to get to the profit target, it's around 10:32 right here. Okay, the other trades that I done closed at 8:06, so 35 minutes later, roughly, these trades were closed. But the one with the 10:32 was the order trade, and it dropped really nicely and £448 to the downside, which was a nice trade. That was it. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Order trading. You don't even need to be at your screens watching this. So I showed a new student the strategy after a lunchtime today, and his comment was, well, I don't have the account size to do £10 per point. I just haven't got that account size. And you don't need to worry about that anymore, because at Trading College we have our own funded account, Stealth Trader. Okay, so you can use Stealth Trader, and we've got a free course as well to show you how to use it. So I've jumped over the Trading College website here. If you go to the top right hand side, it says funded account. It takes you straight through to Stealth Trader. Okay, so on Stealth Trader here, you can literally get yourself a $25,000 account here for $250. So if you've got a small size trading account, then you can bump it up and really leverage yourself here with a larger trading account. And it's fantastic because a lot of people don't have the right size or a big size trading account, but Stealth Trader gives you that opportunity to trade and learn with a decent sized trading account. All right. And if you go down to the bottom here, it shows you everything and all the rules and so on. And also, we've got a free training course for you to actually get with Stealth Trader if you actually sign up for some of the accounts here. It's such a great opportunity, guys. It's fantastic. You get free course education, plus you get the funding for a 25k account or anyone you want to, and you can really leverage it up. But it's important, I think, that you do get the education. That's why we stick that course in there for you. All right, hope it helps, guys. I hope you enjoyed the explanation of the sterling Japanese yen order trade. And I think as a trader, you should start to look at doing orders, because I think you can make just as much money not being at your screens. If you are a day trader and you're somebody that's new and you're getting faked out of trades and you're not making as much as you should do or want to, maybe you can do the day trades in the morning but put orders in You're still a day trader. You don't have to be on a 5 or a 1 minute chart all the time. You can place orders, and I'm sure you probably have got a greater chance to making more money than if you were just watching a 2 minute, 5 minute chart going up and down. And there's absolutely every reason why you'll probably make bigger returns by doing order trades, because you won't get sucked in emotionally, all right, with the trade. So if you struggled with that, maybe that is something that you want to give a go, and give it a go and see if you can do that. Take a look at our funded account here, Stealth Trader. Speak to you soon. Take care. Have a great rest of the day.